Welcome to the Press Detector. Thanks again for joining. This is Joseph, and peace be upon you all. Today we are having a look at, as you know, price can either be bullish, bearish, or neutral. Let's have a look according to our PD levels, where in the next 24 hours, price for Bitcoin can go. Once we identify and analyze where price can go for Bitcoin, we can safely move over and trade our altcoins. But first step, guys, always look at Bitcoin first. Unfortunately, in the last 24 hours, we broke down very key support PD levels. We tried to overcome this area here and turn it into support. Unfortunately, we just broke down from these areas. The next PD level to closely look at is the 59,810 mark. If we manage to overcome this level and turn this into support, we are going to challenge back the 60,654 mark area. If we manage to overcome that area, we're looking to challenge again the 61,000 mark. And once we overcome this area, we're looking at very minimal PD resistance above, up until the 68,000 mark, where we have our first serious collection of resistance. We're not saying that price goes straight up to challenge the 68,000 mark. No, as you can see, we have a couple of PD resistance levels that we need to take care of at the 63,300 mark, 64,400 mark, and the 65,500 mark. Once these are overcome, we then have at the 67,500 mark, and only then do we get to challenge the 68,000 mark. Once that is challenged, only then, once that area is overcome, is where we're looking at to challenge the 70,700 mark. Now, all of that price action is only at the mid and long term. Now, in the short term, as I've said, and we're looking to challenge the 59,800 mark. If we manage to bounce and then re-challenge the 60,650 from a bullish perspective, we should be looking at overcoming this area and then turning that into support, and then re-challenging the 61,900 mark. And this is from a bullish perspective. So we have a bullish zone that we can highlight here between the 61.4 and the 62,500 mark. If we manage to bounce around this area here and between these two levels, we're looking at a neutral price action between the 59,800 mark and the 60,800 mark. And for a very bearish price action, if we break down from this PD support level, we're looking at very strong and decent PD support down at the 59,000 mark up until the 58,600 mark. So this is our bearish zone for the short term. Keep an eye on these. We've got a very exciting announcement for you guys. In the next few weeks, we're going to be offering a pilot free trial access to our PD levels across different charts. We will initially be including Bitcoin, Solana, Bittensor, Tau, Kaspa, and Qubic. Other charts are in the work as we speak. If you found any information in the video helpful and beneficial, drop us a like, subscribe to the channel. Keep an eye again on the free trial announcement. Make sure you're following us on YouTube, X, Twitter, and Telegram. This was Joseph from the Press Detector. We'll see you again.